In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use custom fonts on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left panel, you want to select where it says Appearance. And then over here, you want to just scroll down underneath Customize Fonts, select it, and then you can adjust the font size by dragging to the left or right, basically. The center is what the default is, and you can also adjust the minimum font size as well. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.